Oh, Switzerland is a beautiful country.
Wow, friends, we're here. We're here in Switzerland. But where is Miro? Not in Switzerland? Oh no! Miro! Miro! Oh. Hey, look at that! Friends, look!
People are marching. Huh? Hey! Is that a snowman? Oh, this is the Sechslauten Festival. The Sechslauten is a traditional spring holiday in the Swiss city of Zurich. Friends, these are Swiss traditional musical instruments. They're called alpenhorns. Oh, girls are dancing. Children in traditional dress are also marching. Wow, look at these girls. They're so pretty, aren't they? The climax is the burning of the symbolic snowman doll called Bogue. Many people of Switzerland think that the quicker his head catches fire and explodes, the finer the summer will be.
Wow, the Sechslauten Festival is so cool. Or maybe so warm. Wow, I just love a yodel song. Yodel-o-hee-hoo. Hey friends, do you want to listen to a song?
Yes!
Okay then, let's listen carefully.
Kids English School.
키즈톡톡